Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean your engine area. And you can use all these products on the left side, of course. But it is enough to get only one product, like the 361 Universal Use Coche Cleaner. Oh yeah, it's made by Sisbril. And it is a really awesome thing. You can use it everywhere, outside and inside your car. It's really easy to use. I will show you now. So here you can see, there it is. There is a valve on the top side. You have to rotate it 90 degrees. Then this spray is ready to use. So let's get a little bit of this awesome spray liquid on a cloth. Yeah, there it is. And now we can start to clean all engine area things like plastic, rubber, metal. Everything is possible to clean with this 361 Universal Liquid. Here you can see it's rubber time. Yeah, easy. Here it cleans so nice. And it sealed it. It removes traces with water pressure inside the tank without rubbing. It removes the whole dirt from padded seats and leather. You can use this product all areas on your car, except glass and paint. Glass and paint is not good for this product, but all other components is no problem. Suitable for cleaning and Salpicaderos, blankets and outside metal engines, etc. Everything is possible. The 361 is a one cleaner for all, really. It's more comfortable to use than if you have some lot of product. Each is for plastic, each is for rubber, each is for furniture, each is for etc. Here you only need one spray, and this spray will clean everything. And it is a good cleaner. Here you can see it makes a good finish. If you're used it, it removes the dirt, as you can see, and it let so smooth shining of the plastic behind. It's really good. It cleans and removes the dirt with a green microfibre to create a surface completely after you use this product. It means first step is use a cloth, then get the product on the surface, and after this you can rotate the cloth. Here you can see, and make now a shiny surface. Oh yeah, this is plastics. All components here is plastic, rubber, metal. Everything is in here. And we are going to clean this engine interior under your car hood with only one product. Let's start. It's really awesome. I will show you now. Here you can see the result. It's really awesome. And it is a time saver because I only use one product, not a couple of 5 like the days before. Good thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.